Alright traders, welcome back to another trading session. Last week I wasn't able to trade for 3 or 4 days out of the week, so I'm hoping to get a good week in today. Last Friday we had a crazy trade up like $2,000 or something like that. That was actually on accident, so hopefully today we can make some money like that on purpose. Let's go through the morning game plan, the one that I send in the Discord every single morning. If you're not in that Discord, check it out. Link in the description down below, completely free. So right now, what we are dealing with is on the higher time frames, on the 12-hour time frame, we're kind of in this bullish order zone right now. We have this demand level. We swept the lows for a second time, swept these lows here. So I should probably move that right there. All right, got to the midline of the demand level right there. Pretty much that was the bottom of the entire day, and so now we're kind of in the middle of this little bounce here. Now the problem is that we are kind of retracing right now. So when we drop down to the 1-hour time frame, we are currently sitting at this clear low here, and what I was saying in the morning game plan is basically waiting for this low to be swept and for a potential reversal higher. And if that fails, then we're probably going to go lower down into this zone again, maybe a potential retest before going higher again. So ideally looking for longs or shorts down into the zone and then longs, but it all depends on where the momentum goes. Of course, there's a possibility that we just tank forever. The NASDAQ can easily just fall off a rock today given the current market environment. So let's just see what happens. So yeah, here we go. Market has opened. We are just plummeting. This is on the 1-minute time frame. So let's roll the time lapse, and I will see you guys when I have an actual setup, ideally. All right, so right now we are in the middle of forming a potential trade, but right now it's a little too strong to the downside. It's what I call fighting the V. I don't really want to be long on this kind of V-top reversal, but we do have an area of demand right here on the 1-minute chart, and we're about to hopefully form an area of liquidity. Now right now I don't count this as strong liquidity, because I want to see that M shape happen. Okay, and here we go. We're going into the zone already, so it might invalidate this trade, which really sucks. But if we can get a pullback from, well, we're just tanking lower. All right, so we may have a trade setting up here. At this point, I don't hate short trades. The market has given up a ton of its gains. Bears are looking decently strong, and we may need to revisit these lows down here on the hourly chart. So I don't hate potentially going short here on this bearish order zone. We have this level of supply. We have lows right there. It's more like a 30-second chart. Trade here right at 25,150. So I'm gonna put an order there at 25,150. If we start exploding into that area, I'll cancel it because I don't really want to be a part of that. It's gonna be a really tight zone here. So 25,148 is my number, and it's gonna be a really small stop loss just above there. So trade will look something like this. Stop loss above this high, and targets down low. So it's a 7-to-1 trade if it hits. Pretty much banking on top taking the market there. It's either going to be a top tick or a quick loss. No in between. Hopefully no in between. like I said, if I see price rocketing into the area, I might have to cancel it. I don't even got to watch this trade. I know it's going to hit, so I'm just going to go chill. A little too much momentum on this for me. I'm just going to close it out there. A little too much momentum for me. If we start failing, I might try it again. All right, looking for a quick move down. I'm short, looking for a quick move lower. If we can't get it, I'll probably just get out. There are some orders here. Yeah, this thing's just ripping. Can't seem to make up its mind. I'm gonna put a stop loss in place just above the highs. Can't quite tell what it wants to do right now. Could see a pop lower here. There we go. Need to see a bigger drop than that though. That can't go green like this. Yeah, I'm just gonna... This candle has to pretty much be the one to go. Otherwise, I'll gladly take it. Oh my god. It's getting pretty volatile here. I don't really know what's gonna happen here. What does it want to do? Alright, I gotta take that. Stop above this candle here. Alright, nice. Beautiful. We'll just sit at break even, and I'll just put a flat target down here at the lows. Might just chop back up, let's see. I mean, this 1 minute candle is ridiculous. Oh wait, I just realized this is an eval and I need to pass it, so I'll just close it out there. Passed it. Alright, nice trade there. Passed the eval, and now I can move on to my other eval. So that's one PA booked, and let's see if we can get another. And let's see if let's just see if this target ends up hitting or not, even though I'm out of the trade, because I had to pass the eval. Alright, well, looks like it's not going to hit its full target. That's pretty strange. Didn't take out the liquidity there. But you know what? Even if I was still in this trade, probably would have taken most of it. Or I only had one contract, so probably would have taken all of it off there for a 6-to-1 risk to reward trade. Guys, nobody's doing it like this. Nobody's doing it like this. So if you want to learn all this for free, just join the free freaking Discord. I just passed the eval. Now I'm going to take it over to the funded account and probably get a pretty decent payout off of this account. So join the free Discord. Link in the description down below. Literally teach everything for free. I have nothing to sell you. The only way that you can support this channel is through the discount codes that I provide you. It's a win-win situation. You get a discount on your funded account, and I get like $5. So check out all the links in the description for the best discounts. You can use code ST at Apex Trader Funding for the best discount, and code code Simple Trader at all the other prop firms. All of them down below in the description once again. Thank you guys so much for watching. One and done today. Pretty much a 6-to-1 risk reward, probably a 5-to-1 on the trade that I actually took here. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.